So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use wireless power sharing on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Now, wireless power sharing is a feature that allows your S26 to charge another device whenever you need it to. So all you need to do to use it is simply ensure that it's currently turned on and set up. So go ahead and open settings, then select battery and scroll down and tap on wireless power sharing. From here, tap on the toggle like so to turn it on, and then all you need to do now is simply turn your phone so that the screen is facing down and grab the device that you want to charge. Then go ahead and place the device on the back of the phone, and you'll see that the charging icon on that specific device will come whenever it's confirmed that it's charging. If you don't get the position right the first time, just go ahead and move your device until you find the correct position and it starts charging. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.